If you're looking to get yourself a phone case that's going to be around maybe $9 to $10, depending on where you buy it from, and you probably came across this one here. So I personally purchased this one here for around $9.99, and this is coming from eBay itself. Now it is available on other sites such as Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, and Temu, if I'm correct. All right, so basically it comes in 3 different colors here, and this is mainly for Samsung phones. And if you're looking for a case that's not so expensive but does a good job protecting your phone, then maybe this is the one to consider. I'm not affiliated with anyone, just so you know, so this is going to be a review based on my experience. So this is it right now on the case itself. You can see that it already started to pick up some fingerprints. Now, the plastic material on this here is going to feel somewhat similar to that of the resin straps for those Casio watches, and somewhat of a hardened silicone feel to it in some areas. Okay, now it is a single piece, if you were wondering about that, and you can see here that it's not so easy to come out, which is a good thing. That means it has a very nice snug fit to it. So this is the inner part, and it's going to be quite transparent, whether you're buying the silver colored one, the blue one, or the black one. It's going to be transparent. You can see my hands there for you. It does a good job covering the camera area here, and it's got some nice buttons here that are somewhat protruded out. Now the bumpers here, they are there in the corner, rounded and higher protruded, shall I say. And you can see if you got those of the Ultra Samsungs where the S Pen goes, you can see there is a little bump here that does somewhat of a protection. Now in terms of flexibility, the plastic part here feels like hard plastic, whereas this part here, as I said, feels like a somewhat soft resin silicone vibes to it. Okay, so easy to apply, and all in all, a great case. The only bad thing I've noticed so far is this part right here. It's a bit loose here, and you can see the little opening right there. Now on the top area where the glass is, there is like a little lip layer here where you can get some protection if your phone falls face flat on the glass, but somehow not too much on the sides there. All right, so not much protection on the sides from the front area. Okay, but the next good thing about this is the buttons. So they have a nice clicky feel to it, and you don't really have to end up pressing too hard, and the volumes work pretty much smoothly. I don't know if you can hear that clicking sound. All right, nice clicky sound. So if you're looking for a case like this here, check it out. Let me know in the comment section if you have one similar, so others can know of their experience, your experience to them as well. All right, and like and sub, and just in case, it's gonna come in this packaging here. So it's the Fashion Case brand, one of those cheap brands there, and that's that. Like and sub.